Alright, natapos na natin yung installation natin. Let's see anong nagawa natin. Ayan. So, as you can see, ito yung flooring natin. This may look like wood, pero it's actually aluminum. Kaya wala kayong problem na baka mabulok or anything. It's actually made of aluminum, so wala tayong issue na nabubulok, nadudumihan, na sustain. Anything na tapon nyo dito, you can just wipe it off and then you'll be good. So, ang ganda ng car ni client, ganda ng flooring. Hindi tayo magsasapatos, akit tayo na naka-socks. Kasi syempre, car ni client, kailangan natin protektahan. Yung specialty ng car natin, syempre, of course, meron tayong touchscreen dito. You can control everything on the touchscreen, as in lahat. Pwede mo i-control. Front, back, tapos ito, footrest. Ayan. So, meron din siyang massage, meron din siyang air-cooled seats, and it even have memory seats. So, kompleto tayo sa functions of the chair. So, anong specialty ng setup natin ngayon? So, we remove the back seats from 6-seater. Ngayon, naging 4-seater na lang buong car. So, super luwag siya. As in, pwede ka matulog dito. Or kung magaling ka, pwede ka mag-breakdance dito sa harap kasi sa sobrang laki ng space niya sa harap. And the other thing na special dito is actually itong center console. So, meron siyang table na nakatago. Ayan. So, you can either do office stuff or even eat or anything. Hindi lang isa, but dalawa. Ayan. So, ayan, pwede ako mag-computer dito or do anything needed kasi syempre malayo na tayo sa harap. Mahirap din naman nakahawak sa kamay. So, meron kayong table. Maliban sa table, it also have wireless chargers. Meron dito sa harap. Paglagay mo lang yung phone nyo dito, mag-charge siya. Ayan. So, maraming functions na, di ba? It doesn't end there. Actually, if you open this, makita nyo dito, it even has a fridge, mini fridge sa loob. So, may takip siya. Pagbuksan mo ng takip, makita nyo, fridge sa loob. And then after, pwede niya sarado and then meron siyang on-off switch dito. Siyempre, you're the owner of this car. Dapat you always have a cold drink ready. Alright, ayan. So, kung may Cadillac kayo or you're interested in this item or any other of our item, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!